Hello and welcome to the Paper Wishes blog tour for February 13th. And this week we are featuring Anna Griffin card kits. This first card is from the Grace card kit, and it comes with really beautiful gold embossed die cuts, as well as die cuts that have foam between the layers. It comes with greetings, and then of course the different patterned layers that you just glue together to make this really beautiful, quick and easy card. And then the inside of the card is printed with a message, so that just makes it so much more simple. You don't have to have any stamps or anything to complete that. This next card is from the Anna Griffin Sunny Salutations pop-up card kit. And the outside just has a simple decoration with a foam taped greeting. It's also gold embossed. And then the inside of the card, you can see the dimension there, is this really fun pop-up. You just glue the pop-up liner to the inside of the card. It already has all the mechanism already done. And then you just foam tape these die cuts to the mechanism. Foam tape's already included in the kit, so that when you shut the card, you get a fun pop-up surprise. So check out the blog check out the blog for February 13th to see more about these cards.